So guys, we're doing the Pepsi Max. I don't think it'll work, but let's give it a shot. Yeah, but these aren't mint. They're meant to be mint. Doesn't matter. I'll see if it works. Let's go. Okay. Sorry about the wind. And it stuffs up the audio. I got a new thing, by the way, like a top thing for the camera. It'll take ages, man. No, it hasn't. Just opened it. That's one. Two. That's three. Four. They're meant to be rainbow coloured. I'm not certain how, because I have all sort of these ones, but two of them are the exact same, sort of. Oh my gosh, this is so hard. Here we go. One. Oh, I'm an idiot. Ah, crap. I'm such an idiot. I just threw it. It's pretty damn hard, so I better have a sip of it. Hang on. I think this way's easier. Oh man, I don't know how to cut it out, so I don't know how to. Sorry about the wind. The wind is massive here. It's like a tornado here, virtually. I'm just gonna leave them all here because I got a ton of these. A ton of these. I got like 40 more. So this video's gonna go for ages. I'll just tell you. Got one more left. I don't know how this is gonna work. If it doesn't work, I'm gonna be so disappointed. I'm pretty sure it's not. Oh man, so funny. Oh man, it's so hard. Oh man, it's so tempted to eat. I mean, I haven't ate for ages, man. Oh, what am I talking about? I just had lunch like 4 minutes ago. Huh, open it. And you got this one, and then you got these two. Okay, it's nearly done. This is the last one. This has took me like 8 minutes to do it, to open these. Alright, it's gonna be hard. Okay, so we've got 1, 2. This should work. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 in my hand. Alright. Oh my gosh. 14 in my hand. Let's go. How am I gonna put these in? I need like a straw. Tastes like Coke. Coke with Mentos in it. Alright, that wasn't a big fail. Like it did fizz, I'll show you. It pretty much did fizz a lot, but not much. So it didn't fizz as much. It didn't fizz as much as I wanted it to fizz. It's alright, it's good. But like there's a load of things left. back. I'm going to do some more. Okay, sorry about that bit where you probably heard me talking. But okay, I'm going to do it again. We got 5 here. My hand. Oh, okay. Let's go. Oh, get in. It didn't work. I'll see what happens when I run. I'm going to do 5 runs. So, hang on. I'm going to do 5 runs. So 5 runs to defense and back. It's really far. Every time I touch this, 5. Okay, ready? So, good. And this one. That's 2. Last one's speedy. 3.
Okay, go.
5. Good. Last one. See what?
I believe you're making a video. What to say? Yeah.
It's still recording.
Good for Father's Day.
Huh?
Doing it for his Father's Day.
Pretty much. Pretty much.
Yeah, it's good.
Alright. See you guys.
Yeah.